Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit in Switzerland. First, understand that securing a job offer from a Swiss employer is a crucial initial step for most individuals. Your prospective employer will typically be responsible for initiating the work permit application process within Switzerland. It's also important to note that the specific requirements and procedures differ significantly based on whether you are a citizen of an EU or EFTA country, or a non-EU or EFTA national. To be eligible for a Swiss work permit, especially as a non-EU or EFTA citizen, you typically need to be a highly qualified professional with a university degree and several years of experience. Your employer must demonstrate to the authorities that no suitable Swiss or EU/EFTA candidate could fill the position. Additionally, the number of work permits for non-EU or EFTA nationals is subject to annual quotas, which can impact availability. The application process begins with your Swiss employer submitting a residence permit application to the local cantonal employment services. This application then undergoes review by both cantonal and federal authorities. Once approved, you will apply for a national D visa at the Swiss embassy or consulate in your home country. After entering Switzerland, you must register with the local residence registration office within 14 days and before starting work. It's important to remember that many work permits are initially tied to a specific employer and canton, meaning changes may require new approvals. The processing time for a work permit can vary, typically taking between 4 and 12 weeks. Switzerland offers different permit types, such as the L permit for short-term stays up to 1 year and the B permit for longer, annually renewable stays. Crucially, working in Switzerland on a tourist or business visa is strictly prohibited.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.